Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the function of stomata. What factors are responsible for opening and closing of stomata? In 9th standard we have learned about the importance of stomata. Stomata helps in the exchange of gases, that is the carbon dioxide and oxygen, and stomata also helps in the process of transpiration. What is transpiration? The process of removal of excess water in the form of water vapor through the aerial part of plant, that is with the help of stomata. Now here is the diagram of stomata. Here is the open stomatal pore and here is the diagram of closed stomatal pore. Now the parts of stomata. The stomata is a tiny opening present on the dorsal surface of the leaf, and this open pore is surrounded by the kidney shaped cells, and these two kidney shaped cells are called guard cells. Now what the guard cell consists of? Guard cell contain the nucleus and these many circles, that is the chloroplast. Apart from that, what the normal cell consists of? The cytoplasm, organelles, so everything is there, but the shape of this plant cell, that is this guard cell, is the kidney shape, or we can say the bean shaped cells. Now in case of the guard cells, the outer cell wall of the guard cell is thicker than the inner cell wall. I repeat, the outer cell wall of the guard cell is thicker than the inner cell wall. Why this is so? Because when the stomatal pore opens and closes, the more pressure is exerted on the outer wall of the guard cell. So to tolerate that pressure, the outer wall of the guard cell is thicker. These are the epidermal cells. The epidermal cells do not have chloroplast in it. Listen carefully. Epidermal cells do not have chloroplast, but the guard cells have many chloroplasts, so they can perform the photosynthesis also. Now what factor is responsible for opening and closing of stomata? As the water enters the guard cell from the epidermal cell. Water enters the guard cell from epidermal cell. So that leads to the swelling of guard cell. As the water enters the guard cells, that leads to swelling of the guard cells. And as the guard cell swells out, that ultimately leads to opening of stomata. And when the guard cell loses water, into the epidermal cell, so this losing of water leads in a shrinking of guard cells, and shrinking of guard cells ultimately leads to the closing of stomata. So what factor responsible